In this tutorial I will show you how to share your TikTok profile link effortlessly with this step-by-step guide. Start by opening the TikTok app on your mobile device. Once it's open, head to your profile by tapping the profile icon in the bottom right corner. Next, tap on the Edit Profile button. Here, you will see your profile link displayed at the bottom of the page. To copy the link, simply tap the copy icon next to it. The link will now be saved to your clipboard. Now you can choose the platform where you want to share your profile link. Paste it into a message, post, or anywhere else, and send it to your audience. When someone clicks on your link, TikTok will open directly to your profile, making it super easy for them to follow you and check out your content. Sharing your TikTok link is a fantastic way to connect with more people and grow your audience across different platforms. That's all there is to it.